Are you struggling to find quality time with your kids? As a busy dad, I know firsthand how challenging it can be at times to get it all done and, most importantly, find quality time to spend with your kids. It often feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. One powerful method is making use of micro moments. These are short 5 to 10 minute periods where you can engage with your kids. The key is to use these pockets of time to show your kids that they're a priority, not just an afterthought. For example, while waiting for dinner to cook, you can sit with your child and ask about their day. These micro moments can happen anywhere and anytime, in the car on the way to school, while waiting for an appointment, or even during commercial breaks when you're watching TV. The goal is to be intentional with these moments. Look for opportunities throughout your day where you can pause and connect. It's not just about filling time, it's about making those small pockets of time count. When your kids see you taking these moments to focus on them, they feel valued and important. Let me share a quick story with you. I've discovered that those little pockets of time in our daily routine can make a huge difference. Like when I'm driving my kids to their activities or running errands, we use that time to chat about their day, their interests, or whatever's on their mind. It's amazing how much you can connect during a car ride. And those few minutes before bed, they've become some of our most special moments. We talk, we laugh, and we really bond. These short, meaningful interactions have brought us closer together and made my kids feel truly supported and understood. We're closer than ever, and I really cherish these moments, no matter how short they are. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what about the kid who doesn't talk much and just gives one-word answers? I've been there. For those kids, try engaging them in activities that naturally spark their conversations. Maybe it's working on a project together, playing a game, or even just sharing a hobby. Sometimes it helps to talk about something they're really interested in, or even share a story from your own day to get them to open up. Patience is key here. Even those quiet moments together can build a stronger connection over time, and don't give up. Remember, these moments are precious and will shape the bond you have with your children for years to come. So make every moment count. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Together, we can make the most of our time as busy dads and create lasting memories with our children. Thanks for watching.